In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue of Gmail not receiving verification codes. This problem can be frustrating when trying to access your account or complete a login process. Luckily, there are a few simple steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to access the control center and then disable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on this button. Once you've done that, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you see Messages. Tap on it. Then toggle off the switch next to the iMessage option. Wait a couple of seconds and turn it back on. By temporarily disabling iMessage and then re-enabling it, you essentially refresh the connection and settings related to messaging services on your device, which can often clear up any communication hitches that could be hindering the receipt of verification codes on Gmail. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit and toggle on the switch next to the Send as SMS option. Then scroll down again and toggle off the switch next to the Filter Unknown Senders option. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully fix the issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.